I love finding some inspiration. I usually turn to Pinterest to get some ideas, and you can see here there's a lot of different styles of character design. So we're going to be creating a modern family 2D based in a vector format. And you can see here, I'm starting to look at some different forms. Some use of a more flat approach, some is more 3D, and then some uses, shading, some don't use any shading. So it all depends how you want to go about creating your characters. We're going to create more of a flat two-dimensional look for our vectors to make it simple, using basic shapes as well to help us create something simple, and that's going to work really well. And you can see here, use Pinterest, type in vector character design, or designing characters, and you'll start to get the ideas and see some different types that you can. I really like this style as well, which is pretty cool. And find some inspiration that you like, even look on books and stuff like that, and try and learn off others as well. And we're going to start to develop our characters.